Oscar Health Virtual Visits Honest Review. Watch before using. Oscar Health's Virtual Visits is a telehealth service designed for individuals seeking convenient, efficient, and affordable access to healthcare from the comfort of their own home. The platform offers video consultations with licensed doctors, nurse practitioners, and mental health professionals, making it suitable for a variety of healthcare needs. Whether you need to address common illnesses like colds or flu, require follow-up consultations, or are seeking mental health support, Oscar Health provides a comprehensive range of services. What sets Oscar apart is its user-friendly interface, making it easy for users to navigate and access care quickly. You don't need an appointment. You can connect with a healthcare provider in just a few minutes, depending on availability. The platform also allows for prescription services, which means that if the provider deems it necessary, they can send prescriptions directly to your pharmacy. It's a convenient feature for those who need medication but don't want to leave their home. Furthermore, the service is available 24/7, which is a major plus for users in need of urgent care outside of traditional office hours. The pricing is transparent and often more affordable than in-person visits, especially when considering copays or out-of-pocket costs for traditional doctor's visits. Oscar Health also integrates virtual care into their broader health insurance plans, offering members seamless access to care as part of their overall healthcare management. The platform's simplicity and accessibility make it a great option for busy individuals, parents with young children, or anyone looking for quick care without the hassle of in-person appointments. However, it's important to note that while Oscar Health Virtual Visits covers a wide range of healthcare services, it might not be suitable for emergencies or complex medical conditions that require physical exams or tests. Also, if you're outside their coverage area or don't have an Oscar Health plan, this service may not be available to you. Overall, Oscar Health Virtual Visits delivers an excellent option for those seeking fast, affordable, and quality care in a convenient format. It's a reliable telehealth service for minor health concerns, mental health support, and follow-ups. But users should be aware of its limitations for more complex medical needs. If you're looking for a straightforward, accessible healthcare solution, Oscar Health Virtual Visits is definitely worth considering.